Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at both beginner and intermediate learners. We read a story with the title Luna the Little Firefly. I encourage you to pause the video regularly, identify new vocabulary, and practice your pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. Luna was a tiny firefly with a softly glowing light. She lived deep inside the whispering forest. Every night, thousands of fireflies lit up the trees like sparkling stars. But Luna's light was smaller than everyone else's. She often watched the older fireflies dance in the sky. They made beautiful patterns, swirling like golden ribbons. Luna wanted to join them, but she felt too shy. Her glow didn't shine as brightly as theirs. One evening, Luna sat on a leaf and sighed quietly. I wish my light were stronger, she whispered. A gentle breeze rustled the leaves above her. It felt like the forest was listening. Luna decided she would practice glowing. She squeezed her tummy, trying her best. Her light flickered, bright for a moment, and then dim again. Still, she didn't give up. As she practiced, she heard a tiny voice nearby. "Why are you making those funny faces?" the voice asked. Luna turned and saw a small caterpillar smiling at her. "My name is Pippin," he said proudly. Luna explained her dream of glowing brighter. Pippin nodded thoughtfully as he listened. "Well," he said, "maybe I can help you train." Luna's eyes sparkled with hope. They began with simple exercises. "Glow for 3 seconds," Pippin called. Luna tried hard, shining as long as she could. She wobbled a bit, but she managed it. Next, they practiced glowing while flying. Luna buzzed her wings gently and lifted into the air. Her light twinkled with every flap. Pippin cheered loudly from the leaf. Yay! After many nights of training, Luna improved a lot. Her glow was still small, but steadier than before. She felt proud of her progress. Pippin felt proud too. If you are enjoying this story so far, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you may be notified of all future lessons. One night the forest was unusually dark. The moon hid behind thick clouds. Even the stars were nowhere to be seen. The fireflies gathered, worried. Without moonlight, we can't guide the night travelers, said the elder Firefly. Luna listened from behind a leaf. Travelers often used firefly light to follow safe forest paths. Tonight, the paths were completely invisible. Everyone tried glowing together. They formed a bright cloud of golden light. But the forest was too wide and too dark. The elder shook his head sadly. Just then Pippin crawled up a branch. "I know someone who might help," he shouted. The fireflies turned toward him curiously. Pippin pointed straight at Luna. Luna fluttered nervously into the air. "Me?" she asked with a tiny squeak. Her light flickered anxiously. She didn't feel ready. Pippin smiled at her encouragingly. "You work so hard, and you glow longer than anyone now." Luna felt a warm confidence spread inside her. Maybe she really could help. The elder firefly landed beside her gently. "Would you try leading the path?" he asked kindly. Luna's wings trembled, but she nodded. She wanted to do something important. She took a deep breath and began to glow. Her light grew stronger, steadier than ever before. Slowly she flew toward the dark trail. The other fireflies followed behind her. As Luna flew, something magical happened. Her light didn't stay small. It grew brighter with every flap of her wings. Even the trees lit up where her glow passed by. Travelers at the forest's edge gasped in amazement. "Wow! Look, a guiding star," one whispered. But it wasn't a star. It was Luna. She shone like a tiny lantern in the night. One by one, travelers entered the forest. They followed Luna's shimmering path. She led them safely over roots and around deep puddles. Her light was the perfect guide. The other fireflies joined her, forming a brilliant river of gold. They spread out along the trail. Together they made the darkest night safe again. Luna felt joy bubbling inside her. When the travelers reached the forest clearing, They clapped and cheered. "Thank you, little Firefly," they said. Luna blushed a warm yellow. She had never felt so proud. The elder Firefly gathered everyone around. "Tonight," he said, "Luna has shown bravery and heart." All the fireflies buzzed in excitement. Luna's glow pulsed happily. Suddenly, the clouds drifted away. Moonlight poured down through the trees. The forest lit up in soft silver light. The night sky sparkled once more. Luna looked up at the bright moon. She realized something important. Her own light had shone even without the moon. It meant she had power inside her all along. After that night, Luna felt different. She wasn't afraid to fly high anymore. She danced with the older fireflies confidently. Her glow fit right in. Every evening, Luna and Pippin practiced new tricks. They made patterns like spirals, waves, and twinkling stars. Sometimes they even performed for the baby fireflies. Everyone loved their glowing shows. Pippin soon wrapped himself in a silky cocoon. "I'll be back soon," he promised. Luna checked on him every night. She missed her friend's cheerful voice. One warm evening the cocoon shook gently. Luna hovered nearby, excited. "Pippin!" Luna gasped. The butterfly flapped its colorful wings. "It's me," he said proudly. Luna's light flashed with happiness. Pippin soared into the air gracefully. His wings shimmered in different colors. Luna flew beside him, glowing brightly. Together they made a magical pair. From then on, they explored the whole forest. They discovered new flowers, ponds, and secret paths. They met animals they had never seen before. Every night was a new adventure. Luna loved showing her glow to everyone she met. She used it to help lost animals find their way. She even lit up tiny caves so that creatures inside could see. Her light became a symbol of kindness. One night, Luna sat by a river and looked at her reflection. Her glow shimmered beautifully on the water. She remembered how small she used to feel, but now she knew how strong she truly was. Pippin landed beside her. "You see," he said gently, "you were always bright. It just took time to believe it." Luna nuzzled him in gratitude. A gentle wind blew across the river. Fireflies began gathering above the water. It was time for the yearly glow dance. Luna fluttered up to join them. The others followed her in swirling waves of light. It was the most beautiful glow the forest had ever seen. Animals gathered to watch from the trees. Owls blinked softly, raccoons clapped their tiny paws, and deer bowed their heads. The whole forest felt peaceful and bright. Luna's heart shone brighter than her light. When the dance ended, Luna returned to her favorite leaf. She looked out over the glowing forest. She knew there would always be challenges, but she also knew she could shine through them. And from that night on, Luna became known as the firefly who lit the dark. Whenever the forest needed light, she was the first to help. Her small glow had become something powerful and beautiful. And Luna never stopped shining, inside and out. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you liked it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you will always be notified of our next lesson.